I knocked him out of the truck.
You're crazy. Grab the car.
I killed him. Dude. Come on in.
Grenade.
Other side.
Yep, I got it. Got that one. Other side, this side. Shooting his
Whoa.
teammate.
Nice.
Nice. Any more?
Wait, where's the other one?
I killed him.
Oh, nice. I didn't even see that other guy come in.
Yeah, he came in behind you.
Huh. Dude, he came in with a freaking sickle, dude. He's actually... Nice shot. Go, go, go.
There's two up here?
Yep.
There he is. Picking him up. Got him. Got him, I think. No, you got him.
More.
Yeah, I got the stairs. Got him.
Nice. Another one.
Hey, over here behind me.
Flashing.
I'm healing. Nice.
Yep. 10 seconds.
Come over here.
Knocked him.
Wow. Let's go right here.
Aww.
Wow. Right on the edge. Yeah, I see it too. But
I'm gonna land right on that roof.
see what I can do. I think they're in the wizard tower. Yeah,
Yep,
they are.
yep.
He just ran in. I landed right on top. There's
Okay.
one on the coast, one in the wizard tower. Got one.
Nice. Where'd
Good
you
shot
knock
from
him?
the coast. Right on the coast.
Okay. Oh, I see him resin his guy. I'm gonna land right behind him and body him.
Careful.
Knock both.
Sniping you right now. Sniping you. Watch the wizard tower.
Yep, yep.
Got him.
Nice. That's it.
Guys, what?
Yeah. No, guys on the hill. Got
Are
one.
they dead? I see
One's
him.
dead.
One's down. Two of them down.
Where?
On the hill over there. Yeah, they're full dead. Let's just run in west.
Alright,
'cause
alright.
We gotta get in.
Yep. Coming. Yep, he's on the
Fuck.
rock.
I can't move. I'm fucking dead. I have to swim.
No, you're good.
I can't get up.
Keep going. Keep swimming.
How am I gonna get out of here?
You can climb up somewhere.
I like the spot.
Yep, he's at the next rock.
Next rock.
Yep.
I see him. Yeah. If we can get a shot on him.
I must have heard him.
I don't think so. I think he's on the other side.
Oh, got him.
Nice. I'm Malian. Don't go.
Nice, Maul.
Oh. I get him.
This should get him. He's hurt.
You good?
Yep.
Nice. Us versus them. Nade.
I'm gonna go left.
Alright. Right on me on the right.
Okay. Let me get a spot.
I don't think they know I'm here. They're moving left too, so you
Okay.
know. I got a shot on one. Hold on.
Yep. Oh, there's a single guy over here too. Oh, I just missed him. Nice.
One full dead. 2v2.
How? How did that not
Oh,
kill
I
him,
see him.
dude?
Hold on.
Yeah, he's on the tree.
Be safe. I'm running up.
There's another guy on the right.
This guy sucks. pushing up on me. Two
Yeah,
of them.
I see
Two,
him.
both on me.
Yeah. Knocked one.
Nice.
I'm moving. Throwing a stunt.
He's laying on the ground.
Where is he?
He's super low, super low.
He did not just knock me, dude. He's stunned. Dude.
No way.
Dude, he did not just fucking knock me, dude. That didn't happen, dude. Congratulations on that win, dude. That was a good win.
That was amazing.
That was a great win. That last
I
part,
love
I don't even remember that part.
Chicken dinner.
Yep. Yeah, I thought I was gonna get shot through the berm for a second with a desync lag bullshit, but this game came through, dude. We got the dinner.
That was enough for me. That was crazy. The whole game was crazy.
Remember when that guy like barely looked at me and shot me twice? I thought I was done for, dude. Like he shot me twice through the berm. But that actually didn't happen, luckily. So that's good.
Hit him again.
Nice. Here comes his buddy.
Got him.
Nice.
Ooh, we gotta drop down right now.
Yep, his buddy's coming up.
Yep.
No. Oh, why'd you jump?
Oh, we were low enough to the ground. Fuck. We probably nade him. He's right on my body.
How'd that not get him?
I don't know where he went. I don't see him. He's like invisible.
Cooking.
They both dead?
Yep.
Oh, you're
You didn't see
evil.
the guy throwing flames at us?
They look like ants.
Boy, tag him.
They're dead.
Knocked him.
Wow. And you just go down and jump back.
Uh-oh. Perfect.
Up on your left. There he is. Wow.
Get destroyed. No cars, huh?
I haven't seen anything. Maybe we could grab a drone. What the fuck?
Dude,
There's a
there was
bot.
nobody that landed in here.
Two of them, I think. Yeah, on the wall to my northwest. I think it's a player. For
Oh,
sure.
totally.
On the end of the wall. Yeah, he's here with me.
He's hurt.
Right on me, on me.
Gotcha.
On top of me. Right here. Nice. Is there another one? He's right here on the left.
No, dude.
This asshole, dude.
Yeah, check out that drop real quick. See if anybody is by there. Oh yeah, I see a guy on my hill. On the edge of my hill.
Near you?
Yeah. They don't see me. Dead. There's a whole nother team up the hill though. I think he knocked one. Oh, they're still on my hill. Oh no.
Pick up that AR comp.
Knocked one. No way, I missed.
I don't think there's anybody on these drops.
Oh, so lucky, dude. They're both dead.
You got them all?
Yeah, I killed both the guys on my hill. Yeah, I don't see anybody on the drops right now, but there are people sniping on my side of the... Okay. They're like right next to my dot on the shoreline. They'll shoot you if you go for it. I hit one.
Taking a look. Not seeing anybody. Oh, I see him. Yeah, yeah.
I'm in right here.
They're shooting me right
Oh
now.
shit, there's a guy right here.
Yeah, they're right up next to you. Oh, team. One more. Motherfucker, dude.
Oh, he got killed.
2 more.
Yep, I see the two. Can I get up on this freaking rock, please? Dude.
They're near the edge of the zone.
This game, man, I could totally get a good freaking vantage point, and I can't get up there. Yeah, I see him right on the line.
Did I go for the drop?
I hit one. Hold on. Under fire. I'm good right here. I'm just sitting here. They can't do nothing to me right now.
They're shooting me now.
Okay.
I'm gonna stop. I'm gonna try to go for those drops. Stay alive.
Yep.
I'm getting shot from all over. Good.
Knocked one.
He's on your right.
Yeah, I see him. He's toast.
Got him.
Both dead.
Nice. On the rock. 65.
Okay.
I think. Or northeast. It was one of the two rocks.
Not seeing him.
I think it's on this.
Oh yeah,
there he
is.
Nice. How many shots is he gonna take?
Yeah, they take a lot. He might be on that second rock too, his teammate.
Could be.
Yep, he is.
You gonna push him?
Yep.
Whoa.
Two! There was two.
All dead?
Yep, both dead.
Oh, right in front of us. 220 at the drop.
Okay. Alright, yeah, I see him. What?
They
Dude,
both have.
I'm trash.
They both have ghillie suits.
Yeah.
Don't push. You don't need
I'm smoking and I'm pushing the rock on the left.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna nade this prick.
There's like 3 of them. Don't. He's pushing your left.
I got him.
Getting shot from behind.
Right behind this tree.
Can't help you. I'm getting shot.
It's all good. It's all good. Oh, he's so hurt.
He's pushing your left.
Both hurt. He's C4ing.
It's not gonna kill you.
Knocked him. Pushing back.
You wanna just run? Yeah, yeah. Reviving. I'm running up.
That hurt. Got him.
One more, one more.
No, he killed himself. He killed himself. Yep, they're both
Really?
dead. Yep.
You wanna take the ghillie suits?
Yep. It's hiding. Hit him in the shoulder.
Another one, 280. The
Okay.
rock. Yep. Pushing up. 2 of them. 2 at the rock, 285. The other one on your side.
Come on, peek that tree, bitch. Please.
He's running right now.
Yep, I see him.
They probably think it's just one of us over here.
Maybe.
They fighting each other?
Yep.
Perfect.
I see this guy. About to take him. Knocked him.
Nice. I'm pushing up on the far left.
Him. On the right.
There he is, on the left side of that rock. He's in zone.
Oh, he's coming in the blue right now. Dead.
Yep, yep.
Just
No,
those
one
two.
more.
Yep. Is he behind the rock? I mean the tree?
He's in the
I
smoke.
threw a nade over at that smoke. There he is.
Got it.
Nice, dude.
Dude,
Dominated.
it's easy when it's duo.